they can hear me out here. They're a little excited. I've got this gutter thing that we're going to put on there to kind of divert some rain, but it turned into a trough. This is the crushed grains mixture. We feed them two different types. They love the corn crushed grain stuff, which is this. And then we've got what they call the layer feed, which is this. So I'll give them, right? But we do let them free roam as well, right? When I wake them up in the morning, or actually when they get out, we're leaving the gate open, and we're just letting them go roam around. And they search for all kinds of stuff. They search for bugs, they search for plants, they search for anything they can find. And chickens and ducks and guinea birds all kind of do things a little differently. Even the different types of chickens, you know, they kind of, each type of chicken tends to stick together, and they get out and do things. Some like to go out in the woods, some like to go out in the field. Which reminds me, I need to go check in the woods, see if they're laying eggs out there. I don't think they are, but you never know. They don't seem to wander away too much. You keep that closed. That keeps other animals from coming and messing with it. But let me, I'm gonna set this down and I'm gonna let those chickies out. Chickies and duckies and guinea birds. You babies ready? Come on. There we go. There we go. That chicken's coop stinks. It's been wet a lot, and being on a slope like this, more water tends to flow and even go inside underneath the chicken coop. You can see how there's always water. And duckies love the little pond. Guinea birds, chickies, I think we have 3 different types of chickens. So we got the black ones, and then we got the big fluffy orangey ones right there, and then there's some smaller kind of off-white color chickens right there in the middle. So 3 different types of chickies, and they're all good egg layers. Once in a while we find a guinea bird egg, and lately we've been getting duck eggs. And in there, this thing is a mess. It is. We've had a lot of rain and it's been cold. They have just made a mess out of this place. What are y'all doing out there? Right back there, you see it? There's a duck egg right back there. We're getting ready to us talking and doing some thinking and planning, and we're going to build another chicken coop. We're going to continue to use this one, but we're also going to have another one, and we're going to build a duck house so the ducks don't have to live in this. And I think the ducks would probably keep their house cleaner than the chickies do. I don't want to step on that, but let me lean in here to see if there's any eggs. So that's what we've been finding a lot of lately. Broken eggs. These blue eggs right here are the fake ones. Oh, almost fell in. So anyway, I'm thinking these chickies, because the cold weather, I'm thinking they're breaking eggs and eating them. There's like yolk right there. Looks like it dripped through. Huh. Look in here. Yeah. Huh. It might have come from that one. But yeah. We're actually finding less eggs than we used to. And I think that's because the chickens are eating their own eggs, and they will eat that duck egg if I don't take it in. I guess I better go get it right now. Hey, what are you doing? No. Look at it. Look. See? Look at that. See that? They're eating that yolk. The duck and the chicken. So I'm going to go get this duck egg. I don't want to step on all this stuff. Yeah, it's time for us to clean all this out. But yeah, if I don't save the duck egg, I think it'll get broken and eaten. So I gotta lean down and get back in here and get this thing. You know what this stuff is? It's all chicken poop. No, you go away. Go. Get away. No. Go. Get. Go. That chicken is fussing at me. Hey, get. What are you doing? It's not your egg. Go. Move. Not your egg. Get. Okay. Yeah, I think that's what the deal is. Oh, there's an egg. Is that one good? I can't tell. I got this duck egg in my hand. Nope. Look at that. Even that one's broken. Yeah, see? Those two are looking for this egg. I don't know what their problem is. I'm going to take this duck egg in the house and put it with the other duck eggs. Hopefully it didn't crack due to the cold weather. Doesn't look like it has. So I think the chickens have all turned into carnivores. Look, that yolk that was right there is already gone. Yeah, okay, well. They act like they're starving all the time. And I know they need the energy to stay warm in these cold cold days and cold nights. You know, but I don't know. We've got them for bringing us eggs, not for them to eat their eggs. Why are you following me? These two chickens want this egg. The chickens want the duck egg. Look at them. You can't have it. Leave me alone. It's not your egg. It's my egg. It's my duck egg. Okay. All right. So, yeah, we got this thing. Sometimes we'll put the chickies in here and kind of move it to different spots. Other times, we just leave it sitting and let them climb up on top of it and roost on the good days. Look at the chicken and duck poop. That little white chickie there is one of them that, I don't know, I think that one lays the smaller eggs. Alright, well, I'm going to end this video right here. And I'm going to take this duck egg in the house, put it with all the other duck eggs. This thing is cold. It got real cold last night.